So, you found yourself on posterninja.com and you're excited to order some new posters. The only thing is, you don't have any designed yet and you're not quite sure how to either. We have found an excellent tool to help with this. It's called Spark and it's made by Adobe, the same company behind all the professional design software. To get started, go to spark.adobe.com and create a new account. It's free to sign up and free to use. Once you're logged in, you'll want to click the plus sign at the top and then click What Can I Make with Spark? Then in the search field, type poster and select poster in the drop-down. Next, you'll select poster again. Take note that it says 11 by 17. We'll change that later. Click Next and you'll be taken to a massive photo library where you can find just about anything. We're going to make a poster for a restaurant, so we'll select this pizza image and click Next. Once the designer is launched, the first thing we want to do is adjust the size of the document. For this example, we want a 24 by 36 inch poster. Spark works in pixels, so I know that I need 3600 by 5400 pixels. We have a conversion table on posterninja.com for many common sizes. From here, we can click on Design and start our design from a variety of templates that incorporate the previously chosen photo. Once we pick one, we can double-click on the text to edit it. We can scale the text with the handles or the size slider bar. We can also adjust the space between the lines, and we can change the font to one of many options. We can then click on Color to set a different color for the text. Next, we can click Shape and use a variety of shapes to go around the text. Our text area now consists of two elements, the text and the shape. If we go back to Color, we can now see pairs of colors. We can select different color combinations and flip which color goes on which element. In the Effects section, we can set things like shadows and outlines on the text. You can also adjust various aspects of each text effect. Finally, for the text, you can use the Style Magic Wand to randomly generate text styles. We'll stick with what we had before, so click Ctrl-Z or Command-Z on a Mac to undo. Now let's look at the Add button in the top right. You can add a logo and remove the Adobe Spark watermark with a paid membership. For this example, we'll just add some text for the restaurant name. The new text is added in the style of the existing text. For this text, we'll remove the shape and remove the shadow too. We will scale it down and position it at the bottom. We can easily jump back into the other text by clicking on it and editing any of the attributes. Click anywhere outside the poster to deselect the text. Next, we will name this project. This name will be used when you download your file. And before we download, let's go over a few other options specific to the overall design. By clicking Layout, we can see various column and row options that will rearrange your content. As before, click Ctrl-Z or Command-Z to go back. We'll click Colors and take a look at some of the color schemes that apply to the entire layout. I'll also point out that the colors and layout options can be selected before editing the text if you prefer. Now we'll click Download in the top right. This will generate a JPEG file and save it to your default Downloads folder. We can jump back to Poster Ninja and continue with the ordering process. Hover over poster printing and select Large Posters. We'll select JPEG and then select Images on the next page. We'll find the file we just downloaded and click Choose. We'll wait as the file uploads and processes, then click Continue to the next step. From here, we can choose a size from the default sizes or set a custom size. We'll choose 24 by 36 and click Continue. We can select a material here and then click Continue. The next page confirms the size chosen and gives you the option to change it before proceeding. From here, we can select any options we want and click Continue. Finally, we can select the quantity and add to cart. You can then create and upload more posters or proceed to checkout. We are also offering a 30% discount to new customers who use Adobe Spark to create their posters. Simply use the coupon code shown on screen when you check out.